Renaming a large batch of files can feel like a never-ending chore. If you've ever faced the task of manually renaming hundreds of files, you've probably thought there has to be a better way. That's where Renamer comes into play. Designed specifically for Mac users, this app promises to simplify the process and make it quicker, easier, and maybe even enjoyable. Let's take a deep dive into how Renamer works and what makes it special and whether it's the right tool for your needs. What is Renamer? At its core, Renamer is an app that helps you rename large numbers of files in one go. It's designed to take the pain out of repetitive tasks by automating the process. One of the standout aspects of Renamer is its versatility. It offers a wide range of tools and customization options, making it suitable for both straightforward and highly complex renaming tasks. Even better, it's available through SetApp, a subscription service that gives you access to over 250 Mac and iPhone apps as a standalone purchase. How Renamer makes file renaming easy. Renaming files manually can be frustrating. Renamer takes that frustration away by automating the entire process. But it's not just about bulk renaming. It's about doing it intelligently. Let's look at some of the ways Renamer makes your life easier. Simplifying bulk renaming tasks. One of the first things you'll notice about Renamer is how straightforward it is to rename multiple files at once. For example, let's say you have a folder full of photos from a vacation and they're all named with the generic file names. Something like img_1234 or dsc001. With Renamer, you can quickly rename all these files to something more descriptive, like Hawaii_2025_001. You can set up rules to add text, replace parts of file names, or even number them sequentially. The app's interface makes this process a breeze. Instead of clicking through files one by one, you create a pipeline, a series of steps that tells the app how to rename your files. Let's go through a quick example right now. Over here on the right-hand side, this is the Renamer app. And over here on the left-hand side, these are all the pictures from my digital camera on Christmas Eve and Christmas. As you can see, they have that dreaded file name, img underscore a really long number. But these aren't really helpful to me. So in order to rename them, we'll go ahead and click Command A to select them all, and we'll drag over here into Renamer. So over here, we have some different options to choose from. So under Find and Replace, we'll go ahead and press this drop-down button. And from here, we have all these different options to choose from. There's Find and Replace, we can number, set extension, remove text, convert case, all of these different options here. One that I use quite a bit is just the number. So what we can do here is right now we have the start value at 1. We want it to step up in increments of 1. And we can also insert text. So I might add something like Christmas underscore. And then I want to get rid of the original file name. I don't want it anymore. So I'll go ahead and select this drop down. And here we can change the order, whether we want the text and then the number and then the text. But what I want here is I want text and then number because that's how I set it up. Now we can see over here on the left-hand side, we have the current name of the files and what the new name will be. So I actually decided that I want to start at 01 if that's an option. And so here we can go ahead and preview what those new files will be named. But over here in Finder, you can see that they're still named that. Well, to actually make the changes happen, we come up here and we press this little play button. And just like that, we have all these renamed files over here on the left-hand side. Using pipelines and Renamerlets. Pipelines are one of Renamer's most powerful features. Think of them as recipes for renaming files. You set up a series of actions like find and replace, adding numbers, or changing text case, and apply them to your files. The best part, you can save these pipelines as templates called Renamerlets so that you don't have to start from scratch each time you have a similar task. These saved templates are perfect for repetitive tasks. If you're someone who frequently deals with renaming files in a particular format, like adding dates to reports or organizing photos by location, you'll appreciate how much time this feature saves. Live preview. No more guesswork. Have you ever applied changes to a batch of files only to realize that you made a mistake? Renamer's live preview feature ensures that that doesn't happen. As you build your naming pipeline, the app shows you exactly how your files will look once the changes are applied. The ability to preview changes before committing to them gives you peace of mind and saves you from potential headaches. Metadata integration for photo and music. Renamer isn't just about renaming files based on their existing names. It also integrates with metadata, making it ideal for organizing photos and music. Let's say you're a photographer with thousands of images. Renamer can use the EXIF data in your photos to rename them based on when and where they were taken. For music lovers, the app can organize files using ID3 tags like album, artist, and track number. This feature is a game changer for anyone managing large collections, especially useful for creatives who need to keep their work organized for clients or personal personal projects. Case conversion made easy. Sometimes small details like inconsistent capitalizations can make your files look unprofessional or just messy. Renamer makes it easy to fix this with just a few clicks. Whether you want to convert file names to all lowercase, uppercase, or a mix of both, the app handles it effortlessly. Smart undo and file backup. Mistakes happen, and Renamer has built-in safeguards to protect your files. The app includes a smart undo feature, so if you're not happy with the changes, you can easily revert them. It also offers file backup options, giving you the confidence to experiment without worrying about losing important data. User experience. What's it like to use Renamer? Using Renamer feels intuitive and straightforward, even if you're not particularly tech savvy. The app's clean design and logical layout make it easy to navigate. However, some users have noted a learning curve when it comes to advanced features like regular expression. If you're unfamiliar with these tools, it might take some time to get comfortable. Customer feedback. Renamer has received glowing reviews from users who appreciate its efficiency and versatility. Many have praised how much time it saves them, particularly for repetitive tasks like organizing photos or normalizing music file names. Now, not all feedback is perfect though. Some users have pointed out minor bugs and file size concerns. Others mentioned that the app's interface could be more intuitive for advanced features. Now, despite these critiques, the overwhelming sentiment is positive, with a 96% approval rating from 889 reviews. Pricing and availability. Now, Renamer is available in two pricing options: as a standalone purchase for $19.99, or you can get it through the SetApp subscription, which starts at $9.99 per month. Now, the SetApp option is particularly appealing because it includes access to over 250 apps, making it a great value for those who use multiple tools regularly. If you're on the fence, you can try Renamer for free for 7 days through SetApp, giving you a chance to explore its features risk-free. So click the link down in the description to get started with your free 7-day trial to SetApp. Who should use Renamer? Renamer is an excellent tool for anyone who deals with large numbers of files. It's especially useful for photographers. Rename and organize photos using EXIF data like capture date and location. Music enthusiasts. Standardize file names based on ID3 tags for a clean and organized library. Office workers. Quickly rename and sort large volumes of documents, saving time and improving productivity. If you value efficiency and you want to streamline your file management process, Renamer is definitely worth considering. Now, Renamer is more than just a file renaming tool. It's a time saver, an organizer, and a problem solver. Whether you're managing photos, music, or work documents, Renamer can transform a tedious task into a quick and easy process. If you're ready to simplify your file renaming tasks, then you can get started with Renamer today. The links are down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we dive deep into reviews and comparisons of software tools to help you find the best solutions for streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.